Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Driving in Jamaica. We're on Constant Spring Road and we're going to look at some of the top malls in Jamaica, which are in the halfway tree area. These are some of the most popular and busiest malls in Jamaica. When you combine all the malls that this area has, you're going to find more malls in this area, more plazas, malls, than any other area in Jamaica. Although the largest single mall in Jamaica is in Montego Bay at Fairview, this area has more malls, but they're under different names like Tropical Plaza, Mall Plaza. But Fairview in Montego Bay is the single largest mall in Jamaica. And when we say mall in Jamaica, we mean like plaza, this kind of layout. Not a traditional mall that you would find in America with you enter through one door and then you have all the sub stores. This is how we do it in Jamaica. And this is Tropical Plaza. This is probably one of the most popular malls in Kingston. Actually, I think it is the most popular mall in Kingston. If it's not, it's definitely one of. And as you can see, it's in the halfway tree area, so it has a lot of traffic. Today is a Sunday around 12 o'clock, so it's not that busy. That's why the parking lot looks like this. But during the week, it's very busy. You probably won't be able to find a park quite easily. We're not really going to focus on the individual stores, but we just passed the Digicel store. I think you saw it. When Digicel opened in Jamaica, that was the #1 store. That store sold more phones than any other Digicel store in Jamaica, island-wide. Okay, straight ahead, that's the Springs Plaza. And beside Tropical Plaza, you have Mall Plaza, which is also another very popular plaza, very busy. We're going to head over there now. If anybody knows what it is to rent a store in these plazas, leave a comment in the section below. It would be good to know what kind of rent people have to pay for down here. I can tell you it's going to be a premium rate because these are the top plazas in Kingston. And if you notice, you don't see any empty store. All the stores are occupied. Okay, so this is the Mall Plaza now. And on the left we just passed Woolworth, which has been there for years. This is probably one of only a handful of Woolworth stores left in Jamaica. And then there's Amar's. And Amar's is famous for, everybody knows, it's where you go to get your school uniform. And Woolworth is where you go to get your school supplies. All the stores in this plaza are occupied, and Tropical Plaza. So I can imagine they have a waiting list. And I'm sure the rent is very expensive. Okay, that building straight ahead, that's the passport office. That's some fancy name, but you know, we just call it passport office. Okay, we're now going into the Village Plaza. So can you imagine these plazas over Christmas time? Very busy. And these plazas, unlike the Sovereigns or the Lashushan plazas, these plazas don't have any supermarket that draws the crowd. It's just straight shopping. Okay, as you can see, this plaza is being renovated. Looks like they're putting on an upstairs. Usually the plazas in Jamaica, you have a supermarket or a bank, something to draw the crowd to the plaza. But these plazas don't have any supermarkets attached to them. On the left they have a Wendy's, and like the Springs has KFC. They have like fast food restaurants, but no supermarkets. And it's curious. I'm wondering if it's because the supermarkets would take up a large space, and the rent would probably be so high for such a large space. Okay, this is now Lane Plaza. And the curious thing about Lane Plaza, I could be wrong, but this is Lane Plaza on Constant Spring Road. But there's also a Lane Plaza in Ligani. Both plazas have the same name, which I haven't really been able to figure out why that is or how that is. And if anybody knows, leave a comment in the section below. It's very strange. Usually you don't find two plazas with the same name. Okay, we just passed Hardware and Lumber. That's a hardware store. No, it's not a hardware. Rapid True Value. It's a hardware store. And then this is part of Lane Plaza. Today's a Sunday, so that's why most of these stores are closed. In Jamaica, Sunday really isn't a big shopping day. It's a slow day, a quiet day. People go to church and then go home and have Sunday dinner. They don't really come out and shop, except when it's closer to like Christmas time. Then the stores would probably open on a Sunday. Across the road is 7th Avenue Plaza. And straight ahead is Courts. That's where you got to get all your furniture. So another good thing about these plazas is they're all connected. We can drive from one to the other without going back on the main road, but you can also walk right through from Village to Mall to Tropical to Premier Plaza. There are covered corridors, so even if it rains, you can still move easily from one plaza to the other. And straight ahead, that's the Twin Gates Plaza. So we're heading back to the Mall Plaza. Alright guys, so these are the most popular plazas in Kingston, Jamaica. And they're in the Halfway Tree area. Alright? Okay, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.